Hey guys, so I'm going to be testing the KiaraSky Jelly Kit set here. So I got the almond kit. So it comes with the prep, prime, builder, and the top coat. And here I'm laying them out for you guys. And this is the set of the jelly nails. It did unfortunately come all like it was shaken up, so it was kind of hard for me to find the right sizes. It took me a while. So here I'm just trying different sizes to find my set of nails. It took me a while because, like I said, they were all kind of mixed up for some reason. I guess the box man they shook it up too hard. Okay, so here I go ahead and do the prime on all my nails again. Okay, here I go ahead and file the jelly tip nails. I take off the shiny part, just the part that's gonna be on my nail. Okay, so here I'm gonna go ahead and use step number 3, which is the builder. This is again on all the nails, and then you go ahead and cure it for 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna start placing my nails with the builder. So I will be adding the builder on the bottom of the jelly tip nail, and then I'll place that on my finger and hold it for about 10 seconds until I'm actually under the UV light, and then I let it go, and then I let it cure for another like 30 seconds, rotating my finger under the UV light. So the KiaraSky Jelly Kit nails is definitely an easy process. I got them on pretty easy. Now I'm going to go ahead and buff the shininess off the nails. Okay, so I thought I got the process on camera, but I guess not. But I went with a marble design here, and I added some glitter from the KiaraSky Glitz and Glam. So the second nail, I'm also gonna do just glitter because I love glitter, anything shiny, bling. So what I do is I add a top coat first, and then I add the glitter on top, and then I cure it for 30 seconds. And then I add another top coat on top of the glitter, of course. This nail I went ahead and just did use the KiaraSky Lilac Gel Polish, which I love. I just love this color. My fourth nail, again, I messed up and I didn't get it on camera, but it was also a marble look with a black and the lilac color. And my last nail, I also did the same with just the glitter. But as you can see, the KiaraSky starter kit is the bomb, guys. I loved it so much. The process was just so easy. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.